Hello, how are you all doing? I'm just having, can you see this beautiful nature's bounty? So, I just had this watermelon. So, I cut it up, and instead of using any other bowl, I'm just using the nature's bowl, the watermelon itself. See? Mm. This is really tempting. I'll take a bite and I'll talk to you. Hmm. Yum. Nothing like some fresh watermelon in the summers, right? How are you doing? See, my plants are growing well. This one that you see, this was quite small when I had planted it. I repotted it, I think. Yes, and now it's doing good. This is curry leaf, curry patta, and this was also really tiny. It's flourishing so well. These, of course, many of them are reused bottles. This beautiful money plant has been growing, and I've been cutting off so much and repotting. So tell me, how are all you guys doing? I am reading a lot. As in I'm reading lesser than what I usually do, because obviously there's a lot of housework that I have to do now. All the dishes and cooking the entire day. Cooking anyways I do always. All the cooking, cleaning the dishes, cleaning the full kitchen every day, all the chores, everything, basically everything. So it's I know I should have gotten used to it by now, but it's just a lot. Plus all these annoying health issues are also there. So yeah, that's why my book reading has gone down a bit, but I'm reading a lot of interesting books. I'm reading a lot of other Indian languages and not just English books. I'm reading a lot of Hindi books. I love Hindi. It's always been one of my favorite subjects, and I think Hindi has a beautiful way of describing things. So I like it. मुझे अच्छी लगती है बहुत ज़्यादा. So right now I'm reading books by this amazing talented actor, director, author, poet, whose name is Manav Kaul. I'll show you. I'm also cooking something very interesting. I'll show you in a bit. Give me a moment. Okay, so look at this curry and ignore any of the sounds at the back. Some French tutorial is going on. See, this is how the chicken is looking right now. Wait. So I thought I'll stand here at the balcony and talk to you. So, oh my goodness, do you hear that? That's basically the police. Oh my god, there's so much noise. Sorry, wait. I'm sorry. I came this side because there's noise and sounds everywhere. But being in a high rise, bang in the middle of the city, I really can't avoid it. And if I have to make quiet videos, then I'll have to do that in the middle of the night. I'd rather you guys see what's going on around, and why not? Just maybe a look. Here are some greens. Overgrown, of course. Okay. Do you see this red thing here? So there are two guys working. I don't know if you can see, working here, and they're not wearing any harness, nothing. See, they're right here. That's horribly unsafe. Sorry. Okay. Rambling, yeah. So the chicken I showed you, it's an extremely easy, quick recipe, and it's gonna taste really yum. It smells heavenly. I'll just tell you what I did. Okay, if you want to try, you can do that. You can also do it with, if you don't like chicken, you can do it with fish. You can do it with paneer. You can do it tofu. What else? No, not mutton. Fish, chicken, tofu, paneer. Yes, you can try. Okay, alternative. So what I did was I marinated the chicken with coriander powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, turmeric, salt, a little bit of oil, little bit of homemade garam masala. Okay. I'm sorry, there was someone at the door, and also this video has been really random, so I did not prepare for it. I'm just in the middle of all my chores and I'm still talking to you guys. Okay, so I marinated the chicken like that. Okay, then I blended together onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, a bit of coriander as in dhania patta, a bit of methi leaves as in fenugreek leaves, and a bit of green chili, that's optional. Anything else? No, that's all. Okay, so I made a paste out of that, and then I heated the pan. I added oil, and then I added a little bit more of coriander powder, dhania powder, just to give it a little bit of darkish color. So, and I also added cumin seeds, sabut jeera. So the moment I added that, I started stirring it because otherwise it will burn. You don't want it to burn. So it started turning brown, and then I added the blended masala that I made, and then I just stirred it, and immediately I added the marinated chicken. Marinated or marinated, whatever, chicken. Okay, and then I was stirring, and then I added some salt, and then I was cooking it all the while on low to medium. That will ensure that the chicken gets cooked properly from the outside as well as inside, and that also it retains its juicy flavor and texture. Yeah, so I did that, and as soon as the natural water that the chicken releases started to dry out, so I added in a bit of water, and now I'm going to cook it on slow. And once it's dry, I'm going to serve it with either roti or rice, whatever. So yes, that was a very easy recipe. It's extremely quick, and sometimes I also add lauki or bottle gourd in the blended paste, but I didn't have that, so I just avoided that. Yeah, so it's really easy to cook. You have all the ingredients usually in an Indian kitchen, and you can always mix and match. The kind of recipes that I share, you can always mix and match. That's about it. I am not going to come in front of the camera now because I am all messy and sweaty and disgustingly horrible. I'm going to go and take a shower now. It's really hot. It's really hot. I'm going to have a few bits of some more watermelon, and then I'm going to go take a shower. Oh, I saw a postman uncle right there. I don't know if you can see. He's walking right there. He's an old postman uncle. I know him. I used to meet him downstairs for all my posts and everything. Way before the world became like this. I have barely left my apartment and I don't know how long. Ever since I'm back from Goa, which was somewhere around the middle of April? Yeah. Somewhere around the middle of April, I have been home. He will cross from right here. Oh. See. Where? Yeah, he crossed. Yeah. If this is the first time you're here, you might end up thinking this is such a weird person. She's randomly talking about things that no one wants to listen to. I'm really sorry if you feel that way. It's just that I've now gotten so used to speaking to you all that if I don't share some tidbits and if I don't connect with you in some way or the other, I feel I'm missing out on something. Harsh Joshi, अगर आप सुन रहे हो तो hello. I hope you're well. I hope you're safe. And if you come to this video, then Harsh Joshi, say hi. And I'm sending out a hi to you. And to every one of you who's listening, who's here, I really hope you're taking good care of yourself. And please take enough care of your mental health also. Deep breathing helps me a lot in these times, It might help you too if you want to try it out. Of course, I cannot tell you what to do. I can only share what I'm doing, and you can see if that helps you. So yes, All the stores, everything is closed. Only the pharmacy or the chemist is open. And even we just have the grocery open till 11 a.m., 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. But otherwise, everything else is shut down, anyways. So, yeah. Even then, not all grocery stores are open, you know. Many of them prefer to stay indoors and don't open up. So, yeah. But I'm really grateful. I have a home, I have a safe space, I have enough food, I have enough things with me, and I'm not wanting of anything. So, yeah, I'm grateful. And I hope you all have all that you need. And I hope you have some reasons to smile during these times and take good care of yourself. Yeah, I love you all. If you do make that chicken recipe, or if you do make that recipe with any other alternative, let me know and tell me how it is. Please use ingredients you can mix and match, and proportions also you can use the way you want. Salt, of course, the way you want. So, yeah, I'll say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Lots of love to you guys. Yeah, I love you, love you, love you. Take care. And if you have any book recommendations or any recommendations for any interesting series, let me know in the comments. And I will see you again. Love you lots. Bye.